Let's watch some crazy stuff, yo!
Welcome, YouTube Nation. Recently ordered a grab bag from our friends over at Value Hunter, and I thought we would take this moment to go through it. We haven't been through a Value Hunter grab bag in some time, and he recently increased his prices to $75 for a grab bag, and it came with all this stuff. Not sure what's that about. Apparently these people sell stickers, and as a side business they sell hot sauce. Well, that's definitely unusual, but not while we're here. So let's open it up and see what he sent us. That is one ugly chick. I mean, god damn. Alright, so in the package was 5 coins / rounds. One of them's kind of special. This is the First National Bank of Crossville, Tennessee, and he had noticed that resembled the bank in a video of mine, and it's nice and frosty, as they say. I don't want to touch it, but you can tell the fields are mirrored. The raised sections look great. We'll do this to look at the other side. Apparently, the first side was the old bank building, and this is the new bank building, and it's dated 1980. And that's my ceiling fan. So that's kind of neat. That's an ounce of 999 fine silver. This is a 1939 Canadian $1 that apparently commemorates the royal visit. And one thing I like about Value Hunter is he puts the weight of the amount of silver per coin and the actual silver weight. So as you can see, it's a 0.8 silver, and the actual silver weight is 0.60 of an ounce, so a little over a ½ ounce of silver there. This is a 1943 Philadelphia Walking Liberty $1/2, 0.900 silver, in MS-70 condition. No, of course not. I did have to look this one up, and it's 0.3968 actual silver weight. This is a 1978 out of focus. We're just going to wait here until you focus. That's what we're going to do. Oh well, it's hideous anyway. Damn Mexican parking tokens. No, seriously, it's really nice. It's got workroom in here, camera. Horrible. There you go. Finally. $1978 Mexican 0.720 silver, 100 peso coin. Actual silver weight 0.6428. That's over 2 ounces of silver right there, not counting this. This is pushing 3 ounces of silver, and we still have a coin to go. This is the one with the just hideously ugly chick. I mean, is that not a dude with tits? I mean, come on, get real. They did not do her any favors. 1780. Surely to God that's not 1780. Oh, it's a restrike. Restrike, I should have read that. 1780 Ugly Chick restrike. 0.835 silver. 3/4 of an ounce actual silver weight. So put this and that together, and it's well over 3 ounces. Well over 3 ounces of silver for $75 delivered. Can't say enough good things about Value Hunter's auctions, and his merchandise is top notch. So if you want to go over to Value Hunter and check out his channel, the link's in the description, and it should be right up there. Okay, I'm back one more time for a quick recap. These are the coins and the rounds that I got. This is the silver weight of each individual piece. That's the total silver weight. That is today's spot price for silver. It comes up to $77.70 worth of silver for a $75 grab bag. And that is just the scrap silver price. That doesn't take into account the fact that you'd pay 30 bucks for a 1 ounce silver round like this. That's the scrap price. So that's the lowest possible price you will see. I cannot buy silver for $22.89 an ounce. I'll pay a minimum of $30 an ounce for silver, and probably as much as $35, because there's always going to be a premium on physical silver. But either way you look at it, this is a tremendous value. So go on over to Value Hunter and grab you some. Man Mountain Link, over and out.
Thank you. Have a good night.
There's nothing significant going on here. Please avert your eyes.